Morning everybody. So I'm back and it's the weekend. I'm super excited, and because I work so much during the week, I tend to detoxify a lot during the weekend, and part of my rituals includes a lot of body scrubbing. So I've got this rituals scrub that I get from Boots. I'm obsessed with it. Although it is quite pricey, so I believe it's about £15, but I looked in the ingredients and I'm like, I could probably recreate this and more and have like additional, include more of my own stuff to it, so that, you know, it helps me combat all the stuff I'm not used to. So yeah, if you want to know how to create your own scrub, your own salt scrub for your own Saturday rituals, come shower with me, compare, oh my goodness. So I'll see you guys in my next video. See ya.